What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Real ZB. I know it's been about 2 weeks of not posting, but really, I just haven't felt like vlogging over the past few weeks. Like, guys, September almost killed me. Like, it was a lot. You know that song that says wake me up when September ends? That's exactly how I felt at the end of September. And I had this whole plan. I was gonna do an October reset, and then I was gonna do some other content. I was so excited, but deep down in my soul, I just felt like I actually don't feel like vlogging right now. So I decided to take a little bit of an impromptu, well-deserved break from the tube, but not only from that, but also from just social media in general. I was just feeling like, I don't know, I was just feeling like meh, you know. So I didn't want to, force myself to put out content that was going to be like ingenuine. So here I am, I'm back. Last week as well, I was busy preparing to go to the temple. So last week, more than anything else, I was MIA, like literally, because I was preparing to go to the temple. I actually came back from the temple early yesterday at like 3 a.m. in the morning, okay, and then I still had to attend church after that, but luckily our church was moved like 2.5 hours later, so I could get a little bit of a nap before I went to church. So yes, I'm coming back from the temple, you guys. I'm feeling energized, refreshed. I'm feeling spiritually full. I had such a fun time traveling to the temple with my ward. It was exactly what I needed, okay? I had such a lovely time with everyone, and I had such a lovely time doing all the work. Like, you guys, I actually just came back from work now, so I am going to play with the dogs for a minute, and then I've got gym at, I think, 5 or 5:30. I've got training with Mish, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I get up to after my 9 to 5. So let's do that. Hi, baby. Oh, look at that. He's such a good boy. Hi, my babies. Hi, my babies. They like to jump on me. They like to jump on me, these ones. So I put this little cage for them because we don't want them to come out. Yo, Ninake. One thing about them. Babies, how are you? Where are you? Where are you, my faves? One thing about them, they will jump on my legs. What are you doing? Come, let's go, baby. Let's go, Mama. I can't even hug you. Come in. Come inside. What do you want? Ewen, let me put my things down. Sit. Sit. Wait for me. You my babies. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, babe? Let's go have fun. Yes, naughty. You're like guys, I can. Okay, let's see here. Come, Baba. Okay. Come, puppies. Come, Babas. Come, Baba. Come, Babas. Okay, where are you? Oh, yeah. Look at these. Oh, You, you love mommy. You love mommy. Do you love mommy? Look what I have. Look what I have. In a papa. Oh. They're a handful. So, this is my little girl. She doesn't have a name yet. Look at the camera, Bobby. This is my little boy. I want to name it Kayone, but my husband doesn't want me to. So, basically don't have a name for them yet. Nance, here you go, Bobby. Here you go, Baba. Here you go, Baba. So my husband doesn't want me to name the boy Kayone. So we basically don't have names for them. Comment down below what you think we should name our puppies. You're obsessed with me, aren't you? How cute are you? What's your name? Tell the people what's your name. Ah! This one always does this. Yeah, bullish. What? You want me to carry you? You want me to carry you? You want me to carry you? What's your name? Kayone? What's your name? So I named this one Kayone, but my husband doesn't want it. Oh, look how beautiful you are. Look how beautiful you are. Smile for the camera. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great, sweetie. Not my phone. Not you guys eating my phone. And they're obsessed with feet here, guys. What about you guys? You're obsessed with feet. Can we get a nice picture? Come, let's take a picture. Stop biting when. Take a nice picture, Bobby. Let's have a nice picture. Let's have a nice. They don't want to take pictures of me. Okay, bye. They're a handful. Love them loads, Kesan. Look at them being cute. Look at you guys being cute. How cute are you? How cute. Don't eat these things when Cooper. Girly. Girly. You're so cute, Baba. Look at the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile. Give me a paw. Good girl. Thank you so much for that paw. Oh, I love you loads, Kesan. Love you loads. Love you loads as well. Ah, excuse me. Why are you biting me? Why are you biting me? Love you loads, Kesan. Hey! No biting. Love you loads, Kesan. Can you do this? Can you do this, son? Wena, what you looking for? Love you loads, Maggie. Love you loads, my God. Love you loads. Come on, mommy. I may fake it. Are you a little baby? Are you a little baby? Are you a little baby? Stop trying to eat me. It's just a baby. He's just a. These are my emotional support animals. Where's Girly? Girly? So I'm calling them girl and boy for now. They don't know how to fetch yet, but they know how to sit. Let's show them. Do what Mama told you. Sit, Bobby. Good boy for sitting. Sit, Girly. Girly. Girl. Are you peeing? She's doing her business. Let's give her a little bit of privacy. Hi, Kay. Kay Yams, darling. Okay, Banwen. Kuku Kay Yams, Kuku Republic. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. I'm just a baby. When she hears I'm just a baby, she thinks I'm gonna cradle her like a baby. Okay, get that tuna. I'm gonna go. John, I'm gonna go watch TV now. So you guys stay here and play, okay? Stay, play. Okay. Bye, puppies. So yeah, anyways, I'm busy watching The Blacklist right now, so I'm gonna continue with that. I actually haven't watched YouTube in a long time. Maybe I should watch some YouTube. I'll see. I'm gonna watch something before I go to the gym. And then you're probably gonna see me at the gym next. So au revoir. I got the best parking spot. I'm literally, there's the door. I'm here. I'm literally a foot away from the door. So it's gonna be a good workout. So let me go inside and work out my frustrations. Home time, guess what? I need to wear my glasses. Oh! That was a nice workout. I actually came in very sad, but now I'm good. I'm good. Not my. This is what I don't like about wearing glasses. Hi guys, man, go look. Let me see if I can wing it without glasses. Put on the aircon and go home. Was a good workout. On my way home now, I don't know about packing Jangengu. Guys, ngiyakwazi ukuqhuba. Like, what the heck? Andiyazi upake njani lona, and I'm not in the mood to be jigga-jiggering myself here. I'm honestly not in the mood. Oh, hi son. Umenje indlela engayaziyo lona. Guys, why do you buy long cars if you don't know how to park? Honestly, tengani hatchback if you don't know how to park. Anyways, let me go home. And just because London, he came running to me, so I had to put him in the car. That one is also following me. This is the dog food that we use. As you can see, the little puppy, it's bobtail for puppies. The little puppy here looks like my little babies because representation matters, okay? So I just and then probably eat as well. I want to doing. I'm making stew. I'm making carrots. There you have it, guys. That is what I get up to after my 9 to 5. Click on this video right here to see a crazy day in my life, and I will see you next week for another one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.